doing some music?
I can't even sing.
But you don't know because you never been in the studio. What do you mean you can't sing?
I know myself. How can I sing when I shower sometimes when I work in here?
No, but like I'm not saying about I'm not thinking about that. What do you mean? I'm thinking about like singing like
I can't sing. I don't wanna sing.
Oh, it's not your thing. No, you know what? I feel like you're sleeping on yourself, man.
No. But I can't sing. I be like interested on singing. I rather play music.
Have you ever tried to go to the studio or book a studio season? So how can we know? Right now I'm encouraging you to book some studio session. Do something. Even if it's just like your R&Bs and stuff.
When I